Book of Heaven, Volume 11, September 21st, 1913. All the things that the soul does in the divine will, and together with Jesus acquire his same qualities, the same life, and the same value. This morning, my always lovable Jesus made himself seen with indescribable sweetness and affability, as if he wanted to tell me something very dear to him and of great surprise for me. So embracing me completely and pressing me to his heart, he told me,
"My beloved daughter, all the things that the soul does in my will, and together with me, prayers, actions, steps, etc., acquire my same qualities, the same life, and the same value. See, all the things I did upon earth, prayers, sufferings, works, are all in act and will remain in eternity for the good of whomever wants them. My operating differs from the operating of creatures. Containing the creative power within myself, I speak and I create, just as one day I spoke and I created the sun. And this sun is always full of light and heat, and it always gives light and heat as if it were in the act of receiving continuous creation from me, without ever decreasing. Such was my operating upon earth. Since I contain the creative power within myself, the prayers, the steps, the works I did, and the blood I shed are in continuous act of praying, of operating, of walking, etc. Just as the sun is in continuous act of giving light, so my prayers continue. My steps are always in the act of running after souls, and so with the rest. Otherwise, what great difference would exist between my operating and that of my saints? Now, my daughter, listen to a beautiful, beautiful thing, not yet understood by creatures. All the things that the soul does together with me and in my will, just as are my things, so are hers too. The connection with my will and her operating together with me participate in my same creative power."
I remained ecstatic and with a joy that I could not contain, and I said, "How can all this be possible, O Jesus?" And he,
"Whoever does not understand this can say that he does not know me."
and he disappeared. But I cannot say it well, and I don't know how to explain myself better. Who can tell all that he made me understand? Rather, it seems to me that I have spoken nonsense,